Hello everyone, welcome to page Minjai Rice. I am Sairong. Today we will continue to learn lesson 9 about Abraham part 1. In this video we will learn 3 words together. First, place. Place. Spell P-L-A-C-E. Place. Example, Siem Reap is great place to visit. Siem Reap is great place to visit. Second, promise. Promise. Spell P-R-O-M-I-S-E. Promise. Example, I promise to help you. I promise to help you. Third, give. Give. Spell G-I-V-E. Give. Example, my teacher gives me homework. My teacher gives me homework. Repeat after me, please. First, place. Place. Second, promise. Promise. Third, give. Give. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 3 words that we've learned and leave it in a comment so that we can have check. If you do it right, we will give thumb up. If not, we will have correct. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Janice Taylor, please click the link down below. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.